UK Carrier Strike Group shows strength in combat mission training. The UK's Carrier Strike Group, CSG, has demonstrated its military strength through a very significant combat mission training exercise. In recent months, the UK's CSG conducted a series of exercises that illustrated their operational readiness to face the challenges of the modern battlefield. The training not only aims to test the technical capabilities of aircraft carriers, but also to ensure the readiness of all elements within the strike group to operate effectively in crisis situations that could involve large-scale conflict. The UK's Carrier Strike Group, led by the aircraft carrier HMS Queen Elizabeth, is one of the most advanced naval fighting forces in the world today. The carrier, along with its supporting fleet of destroyers, frigates, and nuclear submarines, serves as a powerhouse of projectiles and firepower. Through intensive exercises recently conducted, the group aims to strengthen integration between the various elements of the fleet as well as enhance tactical effectiveness in missions related to combat operations. One of the main objectives of the exercise was to hone combat capabilities in the face of increasingly complex threats. In the exercise, the UK CSG practiced against simulated air and undersea attacks, as well as against potential attacks from enemy surface ships. Each element of the strike group was tested in situations that demanded a high degree of cooperation and coordination between ships, as well as effectiveness in executing attack or defense strategies. Not only were operational capabilities tested, the training also served as a venue to improve the readiness of personnel on the aircraft carrier and other ships. Communication between crew members, weapons control, and self-defense systems are the main focus in the training scenario. The crew members were trained to deal with emergency situations, such as a fire on board or a missile attack, which required them to take quick and efficient action to protect the fleet and ensure crew safety. One aspect that stood out in the training was the testing of HMS Queen Elizabeth's ability to launch and operate the F-35B Lightning II fighter aircraft. This fifth-generation aircraft has the ability to fly vertically, making it perfect for operating from aircraft carriers with limited runways. In the exercise, these aircraft carried out a variety of missions, from airstrikes to reconnaissance, and they were trained to operate in situations that demanded rapid response and the ability to fight in highly dynamic terrain. In addition to fighter aircraft, the advanced air defense and radar systems on the aircraft carriers were also tested in the training. Utilization of the latest technology in air defense systems enables the UK CSG to deal with a wide range of threats, including attacks from enemy fighters or missiles coming from long distances. The training also emphasized the importance of precise and accurate information management in making strategic decisions, as well as coordination between ships in the strike group. Another strength highlighted in the training was the attack capability of surface ships and nuclear submarines. The destroyers and frigates in the CSG are equipped with advanced weapon systems that enable them to launch long-range attacks with high precision. The nuclear submarines that are also part of the group have the ability to conduct underwater ambush missions and attack targets on the sea surface or on land. In addition to the military aspect, the exercise also demonstrated the important role of diplomacy and joint operations with other countries. During the exercise, the UK CSG operated alongside fleets from allies such as the United States, France, and other sea powers. This collaboration not only honed combat capabilities, but also strengthened military relations between countries, as well as improving interoperability between different navies in the face of global threats. The exercise also illustrates the UK's readiness to fulfill its role as a global force that can be deployed on international missions. HMS Queen Elizabeth and her strike group demonstrated that the UK has a fleet capable of defending its national interests, as well as contributing to global stability through a reliable presence in conflict-prone regions. With strong power projection capabilities, the UK is strategically positioned to act in a wide range of humanitarian operations or peace missions. More than just a show of force, the training also aims to improve the mental and physical readiness of the personnel involved. During the training, the crew members are tested in high-stress situations that test their endurance under extreme conditions. From the operation of weapon systems to the constant maintenance of the ship, CSG personnel are trained to maintain high operational standards amidst the challenges. Their ability to withstand stressful environments is key to ensuring successful combat missions. The combat mission training also provided an overview of the critical role technological innovation plays in maintaining sea dominance. Advances in radar systems, precision weapons, and communications technology allow these strike groups to act faster and more effectively.